Are you ready to take your kitchen game to the next level? Whether you're a busy professional or a home chef, today I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the NutriChef Electric Pressure Cooker, your new best friend in the kitchen. Before we get started, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by NutriChef. But trust me, I only share products that I truly believe will make your life easier and more delicious. This beauty is a 9-in-1 powerhouse. That's right, it can cook, bake, steam, roast, broil, and braise, all with just a few taps. It's perfect for everything from quick weeknight dinners to impressive weekend feasts. Plus, it's got a 6-quart capacity, so you can make meals for the whole family or meal prep for the week. What I love about the NutriChef is how time-saving it is. With its adjustable time and temperature settings, you can cut cooking time by up to 70%. That means more time for you to do the things you love without sacrificing taste or quality. And check out the sleek, modern design. It fits perfectly into any kitchen setup, no matter how much space you have. Plus, it's super easy to use with its digital control panel and non-stick inner pot, which makes cleanup a breeze. And the best part? It's built to last with a stainless steel housing and a safe, stain-resistant design. Not to mention, it has built-in safety features like an automatic shut-off function for peace of mind. It even comes with these handy extras, a measuring cup and rice spoon, to make meal prep even easier. So, if you're looking to streamline your cooking, save time, and bring more flavor into your meals, the NutriChef Electric Pressure Cooker is the way to go. Don't forget, it's not just a pressure cooker. It's your go-to kitchen companion for hassle-free, delicious meals every time. Check out the link in the description to get your NutriChef Electric Pressure Cooker today. Happy cooking, and see you next time.